This is a review of Pro Cyclone System vacuum cleaner from SOWTECH. It is anti-dust mites, stainless steel filter, 23 feet long cable. It has floor brush, extension pipes, crevice tool, square brush, and base stand. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have. Here is the user manual. 23 feet long cable, vacuum cleaner, and this is the base. You can see the quality. It is portable and small. You can take it out from here and then take this out. This is the filter. We have extra filter here. When you're done with cleaning, you can just take it out and dump it. Then you can put it back. We're gonna put this in here. And we're gonna close it. Now it's good. We have extra attachments. The first one. And the floor brush. The wheels. Another attachment. These are the extensions. You can just put it together. Just want to use it. And then you will put it right there. See, it is already long. I'm gonna use first this floor brush. Let's see how it's gonna work. There are some trashes on the floor. Let's go ahead and try to use it. Wow. Okay, first of all, you can feel the quality and the power. Let's see the suction. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area. Let's take it out. First, we're gonna take this out. And then this area. You see, it took everything almost. That means it's working as intended. Go ahead and test this, how it's gonna work. that's how it's done. And then you can put this over there and this over here. And then let's close this and put this. And close it. And we'll put it like this. I can definitely suggest this product because it is very portable and very powerful. It has extra attachments. You can use this almost everywhere. Also, you can use it in your garage and you can use this at home also. This is the filter, small filter. And it has a long cable. See? Yep.